Hi everyone, welcome to Geek New Zealand. Today we'll unbox and check out Garmin's VIRB 360 action camera. So let's get into it. VIRB 360 is a rugged, waterproof 360-degree camera with 5.1K at 30 frames per second resolution and 4K spherical stabilization. It supports 4K at 30 frames per second auto stitch in the camera itself and 5.7K at 30 frames per second with desktop stitching. It has 4 built-in microphones to capture 360-degree audio. Spherical stabilization ensures a smooth video regardless of the camera movement. Built-in sensors provide G-Metrix data overlays in 360-degree augmented reality. Easy to use free VIRB mobile and desktop software lets you edit, stabilize, share, and add data overlays to the video easily. It supports constant record of more than 1 hour on one charge. VIRB 360 is waterproof up to 10 meters and is small, lightweight for any adventure and has strengthened glass lenses so you can replace without tools. Camera works with Garmin's durable mounts as well as other standard mounts and accessories. Sunlight readable display shows battery, storage, mode, and connectivity status. Let's quickly see the official Garmin video shot on the VIRB 360 explaining the features in detail. Then I will show you some footage I shot using the camera and how easy it is to upload the 360-degree photos and videos on Facebook and YouTube. Final was, out of the box you only get one tripod stand with the camera. If you need any additional accessory, that will be at a cost. It's already priced a bit higher, so I expected some more accessories for VIRB, but overall it's a solid 360-degree adventure camera. You can also choose just the front or the rear camera for shooting for certain activities over 360-degree if you desire. Like always, I will post all the details in the description of the video, so please do check it out. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like and subscribe my channel, and please keep sending your review requests and I will try my best to do them. Thank you.